Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we will do an activity on a vowel. Are you ready for it? Students, today we will make a new word with a vowel. Okay, let's start. One sheet. Look at the TLM and make a new word. Very good, Vanshi. Yes, Yuvraj, you read new words. Very good. Next word is very good. Yes, Manraj. Very good, Manraj. Make a new word. Yes, Manveer. Make a new word with the vowel. Yes, very good, Manveer. Make a new word. Very good. Yes, make a new word with the vowel. Very good, Ahemveer. Now, Mankira, make a new word. Very good. Yes, Purnimra, make a new word. Paramjot, make a new word. Very good. Yes, Paramjot, which word is this? Very good. Very good, students.